Hello, friends. Today, I will show you how to make a login form using Visual Basic. It's very easy, but make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for latest technical and sports videos. There are only 4 simple steps and codes are in description. Step 1: Open Microsoft Visual Basic, any version. Design the form, write codes, run your program. So let's begin. Well, I'm using version 2017. In your form, add a picture box. Now, at the top right corner, there will be a small arrow. Click on it and size mode would be stretch image. Now click on choose image option and then import button. Now browse your image. These images are easily available on google.com. Add a label to your form. Change the font of the label. The font I have used in this video is Msgbox space UI. The font style of label 1 is bold and size is 28. The text for label 1 is login as it is a login form. Now add another label to your form, copy it and paste. Now select the both labels and change their font. The font I have used for these labels is Msgbox space UI and the font style is semi bold and size is 16. Now select label 2. The text for label 2 is username and the text for label 3 is password. Now add a text box to your form and click on the small arrow and then select multi-line option. Well, the multi-line option may not be available for some users as they might be using previous versions of Visual Basic. Now select the both text boxes and change their font as you would want to see large text on the text box. Again, I have used the same font and font style and size. Select text box 2, then go to password character and type star. It is the multiplication symbol present on the keyboard. Now uh, add button in the form. Place the button where would you like. Copy the button and again paste it. Select the button 1 and the text for button 1 would be login and text for button 2 would be close. Now select both buttons and change their font. I have used font Sggoe space UI and font style is semi bold and size is 14. If you want to increase the size, I have done 15. Now double click on button 1. Now type the code. If text box 1.text is equals to king space username and text box 2.text is equals to king, then here your username would be king space username and password would be king. If you want to change the username, instead of king username, type any other username you would like. And if you want to change the password, instead of king, type any other name for your password. You have to add another form so that it appears when you click on login button. Now the coding for button 1 is done. Now click on button 2 two times and type the code. Now the coding for both the buttons had been done. Now let's run our program. Username was king space username and password was king. Now form 2 appeared. I am increasing the text box breadth as the text was not completely coming in the text box. Make sure you like and subscribe the video for latest technical and sports videos. Okay. Make sure